Attention DJs, it's about that time again for another free workshop. This time we're calling it the Become a Dangerous DJ workshop. So I'm going to give you the tools that you need to become a DJ who stands out because of their skills. In other words, a dangerous DJ. Let's go. Forget about the ordinary. This workshop is interactive and comprehensive. It's designed to arm you with my unique training techniques that are guaranteed to take your DJing from mediocre to world class. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out or if you've been at this for years. This workshop is built to push you, it's built to inspire you, and provide you with the weapons to make you truly dangerous behind the decks. In this first workshop, I'm going to show you my unique scratch training methods that I've used to build the confidence that allows me to use scratching freely in my sets without limitations. Not only am I going to show you the training methods, but I'm also going to walk you through them step by step. So make sure that you have your decks out, by the way, because once again, this is an interactive workshop and we will be practicing together. The Dangerous DJ Workshop is your opportunity to break the mold. But it's also up to you to decide if you're in or not. If you're tired of mediocrity and you are ready to get to that dangerous DJ level, click on Learn More and get registered for free today. The workshop is starting soon.